to our channel. Do we look a little different?
Yeah, guess what's the vlog today?
Guess what's on our head today?
Someone would say cow dung.
Cow dung. It actually looks like that. So we have a hair pack on our head.
And it's not a challenge, guys. It's not a challenge.
Yeah, this is not a challenge. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a nice and effective hair pack for men and convince them to apply it on their head and make them sit like this for 30 minutes and then send them for a bath. So this is what the video is about. Today I made a very nice curry leaf powder hair pack for him. Actually, I applied this hair pack on my hair and I was working on my laptop and I was feeling cool. It was so hot outside. It was 36 degrees and the humidity was up to 52% and he was feeling terrible. He was sitting right in front of me and complaining, whereas I was like relaxed and cool, and he asked me why and how I'm feeling so cool even in this climate.
And she was like sitting right beside me and saying, "Oh, I'm feeling so cool. I'm feeling so cool." And all the time she was going on like that. And I kept fidgeting. Oh, why is it so hot? And I was cursing everyone.
I know, but I was feeling really cool because of the hair pack. And when I told him that, he also wanted to have that. But he didn't know what this hair pack contains and what are the ingredients. But you know, looking at me, he thought, okay, I want something to make me feel better, so put it on my head as well. So today I'm going to show you the ingredients of this hair pack. It's really simple, only 4 ingredients, and it's very easy to make and very effective too. So it stops hair fall with regular usage and it cures baldness also, and
Hey,
it definitely
don't point at me.
okay, not pointing at him.
Not yet.
And it definitely cures premature graying, guys, because it contains curry leaves, which is an active ingredient known to cure premature graying. So you can definitely try this on your husband. Getting white hairs on the head at a very young age, obviously all of us have started to get white hairs now, so this is a best remedy for that. So without further delay, let's look at the ingredients. So now that he wanted the same hair pack that I put on my head, he does not know what goes into the hair pack, but then he knows that this is good for hair. I keep telling him that it reduces my hair fall. So he said he'll try it today. And now I'm going to introduce him to the ingredients and let's see his reaction and if he's really going to try this out.
Okay, what do you have here? I know this.
The first one is an egg, which is very important because it's full of protein. It reduces hair fall. It also makes the hair shiny and silky. So we are not going to skip this at any cost. If you are a vegetarian and if you don't want to use egg, you can always substitute this with curd. But I'm not going to substitute this for you.
That's a good idea.
And then the next main ingredient is curry leaves. Curry leaves is so good for hair. It reduces hair fall and it makes hair grow thicker. Your hair will look lustrous and also gives a very nice smell to the hair. So is it okay? Curry leaves okay?
Are you going to try it? Saute?
Not going to saute anything. I'm just going to put it raw on your head. It's going to cook on your head.
Yeah, it's actually so hot.
It's so hot, guys. It will really cook on our head. Okay, and then next I have some mehendi powder. I've got actual mehendi leaves on my terrace. So if you have mehendi leaves, you can directly use the leaves. If you don't have, you can buy. You can use the store-bought powder.
Let me get it right. Mehendi is something you apply on your hand for the wedding.
Yeah.
So actually it's a coloring agent.
It's not exactly a coloring agent. It's a herbal leaf and it's good for your hair. But also it gives
I've
some
used
color.
mehendi, I'm not saying that.
It gives a light burgundy tint to
So
the
you're
hair.
saying all the white hair on my head would turn burgundy.
Yeah. You don't have to use any artificial dye, guys. You can use mehendi instead.
You thought of it?
But I didn't think of the color actually. I use this regularly because it makes my hair look thick and nice and soft. So I use this.
Yeah.
It's nice. And then I've got some aloe vera. Aloe vera is the main cooling agent, guys. Once you put it on your hair is going to feel like a refrigerator. Your head is going to feel like a refrigerator. It's so cool and nice. So
Did we get this in Munnar?
I got this from Munnar.
After marriage?
After marriage, obviously. Stop it now. My god, this guy keeps distracting me. Okay, so I'm gonna use some aloe vera as well. I'm keeping the ingredients simple because boys do not like, too many ingredients or too much smell in their hair pack. So that's why I'm keeping the ingredients simple, and none of these items are going to smell bad. Maybe from the egg you might get a little bit of smell, so to mask that smell you can add a little bit of rose water, but I don't think it's required for us because we are so used to it. I'm so used to it, and you can add a little bit of rose water if you want, if you don't like the smell of egg. But this hair mask is best suited for men, and you can try it on your husband. You can take him as an example and you can try it on your husband. Okay, so all you need is a mixer jar. I'm going to transfer all these ingredients to the mixer and I'm going to grind it to a smooth paste and apply it on his head. Now let's start the process. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to add is 1 teaspoon of aloe vera. For men, the amount of ingredients can be less because their hair is short. For long hair like mine, you need to add more of everything. And then I'm gonna add curry leaves. After curry leaves, I'm gonna add some mehendi powder. You can add about 1 tablespoon of mehendi powder. That will do for short hair. And then add the egg. So that's all guys. Now we have the egg, the curry leaves, the mehendi powder and the aloe vera in the mixie jar. I'm going to grind this to a smooth paste and then I'll bring it back. So after grinding it, your paste should look like this. Look at the consistency. It should not be too thick or it should not be too runny. It should have a pouring consistency like this. Okay. So now our curry leaf hair mask is ready. Let's proceed to apply it on hair. So hubby is ready now guys. I'm going to pamper him now with the hair pack. Let's start. I usually use my hand to apply the hair pack, but if you have a brush you can very well use a brush. So you can see the consistency of the hair pack. It's somewhere between thick and runny. Perfect for applying. So first you need to apply on the scalp and make sure that the entire scalp is covered with the hair pack. If you have any hair pack left after applying on the scalp, then you can apply it on the hair. But firstly, you should make sure that the hair pack is applied completely on the scalp. Especially in this part where the balding happens for men.
What's next? Face pack?
Yes, of course. Do you guys want me to demonstrate facial on men for your husband? I'm ready to do that. How lucky you are, Danton, to get a wife like me.
I won't get bald, right? Because of all this. Now, using my head for experiments. I'm just kidding, it's actually growing.
You'll start to feel it once I apply it fully. I'm just parting the hair and applying it on the scalp, if you can see. Short hair is much easier to apply than I find it very difficult to apply it on my hair because I have to part it and apply it strand by strand.
I wish you had someone to apply for you, right? So I was sitting idle during these quarantine days and decided, why not?
Louder.
Why not be useful? So this is me being useful. Well, I'm unemployed. So yeah, use me.
My viewers want to see more of you. What can I do about that? Feel very nice. You don't even need a conditioner after washing this off because the egg itself will act as a conditioner and even the mehendi. Now I've used up all the hair pack that I had in the mixer jar. The quantity was perfect. It has covered his entire hair.
It doesn't smell bad actually.
It doesn't smell bad because it's only curry leaves. The curry leaves gives a very good smell. You get a nice herbal kind of a smell. You don't get any bad smell at all. I didn't even add rose water to this pack. But if you guys want, you can add rose water. Okay? So it's done. And baby is already sleeping. So this has to be left on the hair for at least an hour for you to get good results.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, but if you're in a hurry, you can leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash it. I think men won't leave it on even for 30 minutes. They are very impatient, right? But leave it on for at least 30 minutes, no, you will get a good result out of it. Otherwise, it's a total waste if you're going to wash it off immediately. Okay, so if you can see my hair, I applied this 2 hours back. So all the hair pack is absorbed into my scalp and hair. You cannot see any, green pack outside, can you? But if you look at his hair, you can see the green curry leaf pack on his head because it's still fresh. So after an hour, everything will be absorbed into his head and nothing will be visible outside, and that's the time you have to wash your hair. Okay, now let's leave it on for 30 minutes and then we'll get back to you guys. Bye. Such a long day today, guys. So we just made Maggie and we are having it. After finishing the Maggie, we'll rest for some time and then we'll go for bath.
Yeah, we have to have a Maggie in the bowls because
We have a boiled egg inside. Each of us. Amazing. It's been so long since I had Maggie. From the time this fasting started, I didn't have Maggie at all. Eggs are tasting so good. Perfectly boiled.
yeah, so next time you want to boil eggs, make sure you keep them on the stove, come and record a video and then
Hey all! We are back after a bath and this is how our hair is looking.
are you going to advertise for your start a company?
No, not advertising for my hair. I'm advertising for the hair pack that I showed them. So this is how silky, smooth and soft my hair is. And look at this hair. How nice, soft, and you can see that it looks volumized. Looks like he's got more hair and thick hair. So this is what the curry leaves, the egg and the mehendi leaves does. It volumizes your hair and it looks like, you look more younger. So do try this hair pack. Did you like it?
Yeah, it's actually, I'm feeling very sleepy.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Yeah, it's so soothing, especially during summers. You'll feel pampered, you'll feel sleepy.
It'll be really nice if you can get someone to do it for you. I feel bad that I didn't get a chance to do it for her, but yeah, it'll be really nice if you can get someone to really give you a softness out of it. And good night.
All that is possible only for men.
Why so?
No.
Facial. I'm gonna do facial for her. That's a challenge.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So very soon I'll be doing the facial for her,
Okay,
and I hope I'll be able
yay.
to give back what she gave me.
Okay. So we'll show you how the facial goes. So do try this at home and your husband or your brother is gonna love it. And do follow us on Instagram. The Instagram IDs are given below.
And I'm going to see you again.
Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye bye.